Hello guys, this is Troop 14 Digital Newsletter by myself, Brian Perez. Today is April 30th, 2018. Recapping the volunteer opportunities that I have told you about in my videos were Ronald McDonald House, Elijah's Promise, and now we're talking about the Red Cross Blood Drive. Red Cross Blood Drive in New Brunswick and NJ. People give blood donations so the blood can be used when people have surgeries or lose blood in car accidents or need transfusions of good healthy blood in their bodies. Hayden Waters and I went to go help at a blood drive to count towards our Medicine Merit Badge. We were there from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. We gave people snacks after they donated blood just so they can calm down. We gave juice and water too. After they donate blood, they can become sweaty, pale, and dizzy. Most of the time, their lips will turn a different color, or turning blue. You always want to check for that just in case they are not showing any other signs. If no one does anything, the person could throw up or start to hyperventilate. The person could also pass out and hurt themselves when they fall. So we were working at the canteen at the Red Cross Blood Drive. So we were restocking snacks and asking people how they are. We were also, it was really cold there, so we had to keep ourselves laughing a lot. And we were working from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. To sign up to volunteer, you can sign up as a volunteer on their website. My mom had to make some cell phones to make it happen. Make sure to sign the volunteer sheet, the sign-in sheet. Good luck. Comment down below if you have served your community service lately or have suggestions about other places I should find out about for you guys. Next events coming up. May 5th is a backpacking/hiking trip. Also read Nathan's email about it. May 20th, a fun time at Sahara Sam's. Don't forget to invite your parents, siblings, or other friends to. They can pay to come too. June 8th is Funtopia at Nobi, and there's also the Iron Chef competition. And then other summer camps as well. So summer camps, Nobi and Winnebago. Don't forget to RSVP on Troopmaster. Get your medical forms filled out. Get your permission slip filled out. And pay for camp unless you sold enough popcorn for a free week. And check with Mr. Jermetsky, also known as Lenny's dad, to turn in all your paperwork. Any free events? Did anyone go to Rutgers Day? I'm kind of curious. It was April 28th. Upcoming free event. The ecology and geology of the Raritan River. Saturday, June 2nd, from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Join Rutgers geologists at Johnson Park in New Brunswick to learn about geology of the Rutgers campuses and Raritan River. Explore the economy of Rutgers. You will be riding a boat while they tell you, and you'll explore find out about the Raritan River and what lives in there as well. The I'll post the link down below. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Just remember there's a green bar May 2nd. The Court of Honor is in June. Keep working toward rank advancements and merit badges, and get your paperwork done and filled in for summer camp. Bye.